didn't.
Yeah. I didn't capture one today.
Oh, nuts. Go run again.
Okay.
Go run. You're so fast. Good job.
I did it. Yeah. Hold again.
Okay, I'll run over that way this time. Wrong way, weirdo. Go over there. Hi.
You got it?
Yep.
Okay, around.
Good job. You hear that thunder? Yeah.
Let's take a picture of the thunder.
Take a picture of the thunder?
Yeah.
I don't know how to take a picture of thunder.
Let's,
Wow, look at the sky.
let's push the button.
See those clouds?
Yeah, I see it now. After dark. You see the plant.
See all the plants and the trees?
Yeah. I think I see the purples.
Yeah.
Yeah, the purples are not.
Go over there.
There's ants over Mommy's garden. What is blooming?
What?
It's blooming.
I thought you were gonna go run in the rain.
Yay! I did my dad!
What you doing? Go run.
Dad?
Yeah. What are you doing?
I got it! I got it! Look at this!
No.
It's green.
No.
Dad.
What?
No.
Yep.
Huh?
No. What? What'd you do?
Smell.
Smells good.
Now I'm gonna give these a try.
Okay.
Okay, now what's the next? Yeah.
Noelle. Warm fire?
Watch this. Burn.
Don't throw it in there, you little butthead.